SWM Pave by Belgard Commercial is an engineered system providing a 5-in-1 stormwater management solution. SWM Pave provides a long-lasting, heavy-duty driving surface, which also serves as a stormwater inlet and filter. SWM Pave by Belgard Commercial can be mechanically installed, which drives down the installation costs and increases the installation speed significantly. Instead of placing pavers one at a time, specialized equipment can place a full pallet layer at once. With this high rate of installation, construction time is decreased and traffic disruptions are minimized, allowing streets to open faster. Our authorized contractors can install permeable pavers at an average rate of about 8,000 square foot per crew per day, compared to about 1,000 square feet per crew per day if placed by hand. Mechanical installation makes SWM Pave much more efficient and competitive when compared to conventional pavements and stormwater management systems. For more information, schedule your lunch and learn today. Our team is always eager to explain the SWM Pave by Belgard commercial process and how we can help you with construction details, project design, obtaining regulatory approvals, and more.